This answers the third part of the question, which was asking us to compute the effective tax rate for that period 2019 to 2022. Before we conclude, let's just recap what we've just discussed. In part 1, they wanted us to compute the annual revenue growth rates for years 2020, 2021, 2022. And you can see we had already computed them right over here. How we compute the annual revenue growth rates, we have the formula on the right of our screen here. Value at the end minus value at the beginning divided by value at the beginning. Or short form, wealth at the end divided by wealth at the beginning minus 1. For the cumulative annual growth rate, which is also called CAGR, industry convention, we compute the 3-year CAGR as follows. We first of all get the wealth at the end. We divide that against the value at the beginning of the 3-year period. Why we're saying it's 3 years, it's because from here to here is 1 period, from here to here is 1 period, and from here to here is 1 period. So that represents 3 years. So we get the value at the end, we divide that with the value at the beginning, we raise that to power 1 over 3. Why 1 over 3? Because we're talking about the 3-year period, or the 3-year growth period, 2019 to 2020, 1 period, and another period there. So it's raised to power 1 over 3. And then you subtract 1 to be able to give us the compound annual growth rate. And you can be able to see the formula once I've clicked over here on this part, the formula bar. If I double click it, it will highlight those values that I've picked. Value at the end divided by value at the beginning. Then you raise it to power 1 over 3 for the 3-year period minus 1 there. For the tax rate from 2019 through to 2022, we just picked, because we have seen the tax rate is negative over here, we cannot be able to have a negative tax rate. We picked just the income tax expense here. We divided that against the profit before tax, and we got that value there. So to double click, you can see I've picked that value, L19, which is this one here, divided by L18, like that. And then, of course, to convert it into percentage, you just click this button over here like that, and you drag the formula as you move towards the right.